Going on, guys? Looking for a short-term trade here on Amazon. Not calling for no type of absolute destruction, but what I'm looking at here on the daily chart, if we kind of look at Amazon been basing out here right around this 124, 125, 126 level. Obviously we know we have the highs here at 128.50s. So again, this still becomes our top side break on Amazon. So if I put a price level here, I'm going to need to see a break over 128.40s, 128.50s with a potential run to 130. That would be the long-sided trade that you would be targeting. As of right now on the daily time frame, we're below the 5-day moving average, and right now trying to battle here at the 10-day. So what you need to kind of keep in mind is that right now you have a little bit of a short-term battle here between bulls and bears. Now, I think that the market ultimately for the rest of the year is going to continue to grind higher. But what you need to have happen if you want to see that strong move is you need some pullbacks so you can allow more buyers to step into the tape here. If you can't get buyers to step into the tape with significant pullbacks, it's just going to make a more drastic kind of drop and kind of scare everyone else out of the market. So if we kind of look at today's daily candlestick here on Amazon, that 124.50s is going to have ultimate room down to around 124. So you can expect a 40-50 cent drop before you get a little bit of a bounce there, a little bit of an intraday shakeout on those shorts. But ultimately, I think we kind of come back down, slowly drift into 122.50s. This would be an ultimate spot to kind of reload on the bounce play long here on Amazon around 122.50s. Now, anything below 122.50s, we have to look at more continued downside all the way down to around 114, 115. Again, that can seem as a kind of a drastic drop here. But if you kind of look at where we were at just about a month's time ago, this was the initial breakout here on Amazon, was the 115. We put in the initial break here. We kind of came back down and tested the 10-day moving average before having that phenomenal run into 128. So this is just a classic break and retest if we were to come all the way back down here. Ultimately here, the 50-day moving average, the 50 EMA, as well as this linear regression channel here, your absolute load zone on Amazon would be somewhere between 112 and around 115. This would be ideal for long-term swings and long-term portfolios. For shorter term swing traders here, you would be looking for the 122.50 bounce here. And for day traders and scalpers, what you're looking for is that 124.50 kind of loss here on the daily channel. Now, if you're currently sitting short in Amazon, your stop loss is going to be any close above the 5-day moving average. So as of right now, that's sitting at 125.70. If Amazon was to close over 125.70, you're going to want to get out of those short positions and kind of reevaluate the trade. If you're holding short already, we're targeting that 122.50s. If you're looking for an entry here on Amazon, what you're looking for is either tomorrow to confirm today's lows, or trying to get in a little early, but just understand that that 125.70, 125.75, that 5-day moving average is going to be your intraday stop. Now, Amazon is battling today. It doesn't have to lose these lows here. We don't have to come down to 122.50. We can continue to just grind higher. The trade to the long side, I'm going to need to see us at least take out 128, and if not, get over that 128.40s before I have a little bit more full confidence that we could be testing the 130 to 131. I hope this video helps you guys with some levels on Amazon. Again, if you guys are looking to trade with me each and every single day live, make sure to join evolutiontraders.com. If you guys want to join the chat room, definitely join the Discord. If you guys want to get funded with some phenomenal prop firms, all of those links are down in the description box below. But again, learn these strategies, understand where we potentially could be going. There's a lot of stuff going on my chart, but it's all for a good reason. I'll see you guys on the next video.